I've just walked into my local Kmart here in Brisbane. Well, it's not my local, I'm actually still away working. I thought I'll have a look at some Hot Wheels stuff, and look what I found. Some Real Riders. These look awesome. I wish I could race these at Mount Western Raceway. Of course I can't because of the rubber tyres, but check this out. Nice little Nissan there. Sorry about the glare. I've never seen these before ever. Normally you come into these sorts of stores and everything's just completely bare, stripped. Look at this one here, 68 Mazda. That is a ripper. Oh. And another one behind here is a Nissan Skyline RS. Look at that little one. Freaking awesome. Can't race them though because they got rubber wheels. And down here is this Fast and Furious Real Riders collection box. I've never seen these either. Yet again, rubber wheels, but if you're a collector, these would be sensational as part of your collection. I think it says it's 29 bucks. I think. It's a bit steep, hey? But anyway, look at that. Oh man, if I could just change these wheels over, I would use these for street rods on Saturday nights. What do you reckon? Oh, I wish I was good at changing wheels. Anyway, let's see what else they got while we're here. All your usual suspects. Oh, what's this little one? That looks good. Wave craters. I don't know what that is. That's the only one out of that I'd really probably get. Oh, that's a 55 Chevy. Yeah, okay, cool. Oh, these are $9. What else? Pretty good selection. But all your sort of usual suspects still. No hot rods. Look at this thing. Don't know what that is. And what else? Yeah, just some more Hot Wheels stuff. So anyway, there's a great collection here of Hot Wheels. I'm very surprised that there's this much to choose from. And there's all your Real Riders stuff, all your Japanese historics. And here's some Nissans back in here. Oh yeah, look at that. Hang on, I'm gonna get that out. What's that? Oh, very choice. Very, very choice. Rubber wheels, useless to me. There you go. Just a quick vid in local Kmart that I've just dropped into. So yeah, catch you later.